Booyah! Guess that's it for this job. We're done here. Done with the plugs and everything. Look at that. Now, as that, you don't RBO this rodent. That out. Yep, Uncle Zamat is klar. Check this out.
Finish it.
Will be torn. All electricity is on. So that went like that. Came from that one. Going down there, you can see it going down there. Going into the other side. Needs to be fixed. And then going up here, up, all the way up there, all the way up, up. Boom, down, down. Underneath here, going down, then going boom into the box. Out there, going up there to that. So now let's test this. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, that's it. Last one. Alrighty, that's done. Guess we're almost done for the day. Actually, just need the lights. It's come from there, goes like that, walks, goes on top, goes there, on top. I don't think you can see. Then there's gonna be a light over there where the loop is. Then going, and then there's gonna be a light here. Yep, and that's it. This is gonna be the switch, light switch here. Boy, oh boy, that's it.